PayPal is one of the best online payment platforms, helping a lot of people to make and receive payment. By using PayPal, you can make payment on the big online platform like Amazon, eBay, and stars, and can also use to pay your bills outside your country and stars. PayPal has made some limitation that most countries, not every country, can't use or have the full access to use PayPal in their country. So this video I'm going to show you how you can create PayPal with your mobile phone wherever you are in any country whereby PayPal is not supported. So make sure you pay good attention on this video. Watch everything from step 1 to the last step. At the end, I will show you how you can create a verified dollar card, link it to your PayPal account, and make a withdrawal. Without wasting my time, let me take you to my phone and teach you everything. So the first thing, you need to make sure you have a new email address that you're going to use to create your account. Then you open your phone and type paypal.com. When you do that, scroll down, don't do anything, come to where you find the United States flag there. Come down and check where you find the United States flag. Tap on that one. You will see this country selected here, and this country, they have 4 continents that PayPal operate in. Those 4 continents. Okay, so you find all these countries here, and so you're going to select a country whereby the security document that they will need will be less for us to get access to. So you scroll down and leave all these countries here and come to the Asia Pacific. So on Asia Pacific, scroll down, keep on going, and check for where it is written United Arab Emirates, because for them the security there is what less that we can create an account using those countries. So when you get there, don't use the first sign up there. Scroll down and come to the last one where it is written get started. Tap on the get started and wait for it. It will take you to this screen here. So this one, we are going to select the business account because personal account is different from business account. Okay, so select the business account. But first, the next thing is check down there and see whether the Arab and the flag is there before you tap on that one. Okay, it will take you to this side. You are going to create your business name. You can use your name, your first name, your last name, or if you have any business name, you can use that one, so that in case you want to make payment to someone, you could find your business name. So the email address part, you're going to enter the email address that you're going to use to receive payment. That's the new email address that you created. If you have old address, email address that you have used before, they will alert you to sign into that email. So don't use used email address. Then you come in and create your password. Make sure your password will be a password that you will remember anytime you want to log into your account, and make sure you include the needed details down there so that you can be able to create your account. Hit and agree and click on agree and create account. Now we need to verify our email address. Okay, so go to your email inbox and enter the code that they've sent to your email address out there. So they'll give you a 6-digit code. You enter it there inside the box, then you hit on next. It will take you to this side that we are going to create, and we are going to activate our account. Okay, so here is where we are going to activate account. You are going to enter your business details and start. So hit on let's go. If you hit on skip now, it will take you through the next stage, but still you need to make sure you do your business and activation. So first one, we are going to select the individual seller and sole proprietor. Then you select the business and type on sole proprietorship. Then you hit on this. If you select a business, that one you need to make sure you include a lot of details. Then here you enter your date of birth. Okay, enter your date of birth. Then the nationality, here we will change it. Yes, we've seen a lot of videos, they don't help us at this point. Okay, so this one you need to change it to your own country. Okay, so if you had hit on that one, change it to Ghana. You find Ghana here, hit on that one. Then you scroll down, the country code where we are going to enter our phone number, change that one to Ghana. Okay, so scroll down, you'll find Ghana inside because you are going to enter our own phone number. The reason is that you get to a point that PayPal will ask you to enter they will send you a verification code to your number for you to be verify your number, right? So you need to make sure you use the Ghana code and enter your real Ghana number here. Okay, so you come here, you enter your phone number, your Ghana phone number, or yes, your verified phone number or right phone number, so that anytime they want to send you the message, you get it to use your PayPal account. So for this PayPal account, there's no need for you to raise your account, right? So for here, you come here and enter your mailbox. So that one you can include either your town and other stuff. So for me, I will include my town. Then additional info, you can do it or you can skip it. Then you come to the city, just write Greater Accra. So it depends on your country. Okay, so your country, you do that one. Then the Emirate, change it to Dubai, then hit on next. So we get to this point, take on, just use your full legal name for now. Okay, so, use that one, and you don't have any business to write your business stuff in there, so just leave the second one. The third one, you can choose the currency that you want to use. So for me, I will use the United States dollar. Then come here, the product and service. You choose the kind of product and service that you do. So for me, I'm an advertiser, so I choose an advertiser. Then down here, there you select use your residential address. So I'm an advertiser, the product and service, I choose an advertiser. So depend on the kind of product and service that you do, you select that one there and hit on next. Here is where we are. Congrats, you have all set. So let's go home. Hit on go home. So this is our PayPal account that has been set up within just a few minutes now. Okay, leave it on one or two things. The first one, we need to verify our email address. Just confirm our email address. And then the next one, we need to make sure we add a bank card or we add our bank to it. So let's go on and verify our email address. Go to your email inbox and check on the confirm your email address part. Hit on that one and type on the link. Okay, confirm your email. Hit on that one, so it will automatically confirm your email address for you. Here you enter your email number, that's your password. Okay, the password you use creating your PayPal account. Enter that password here. Check the security. You do the needed requirement here. After you've done, you verify it. So it will now take you to confirm everything and take you back to your account for you to do the rest of the verification. So if you get here, you can restart your screen to check for everything here. If you check mine here, so this is how you can create the account. So my next video, our next part, we are going to look at how to withdraw your fund without adding a bank account for it. Okay, so it is part my next video. If you want me to show you how you create and link a verify ever send card to this PayPal account, let me know in the comment section. I will come in and do that video for you.